Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with the one and only RPG Show. Once again, same packaging as usual, very classy, very clean, you know. Always love a good RPG Show package. So the first thing I'm seeing was the wig, and then I got a elastic headband, the information card, a pair of wig caps, some lace tapes, and I also got this ziploc bag that's perfect for storage. Now look at how gorgeous today's wig looks. This is a glueless wig, and it is a ombre colored wig. The end is 613 and the top portion is brown, and I love the color job. Stunning. All right, now because it is processed, it is a little bit on the coarser side, but it is not crazy coarse, you know. Also, it's a drawstring cap construction. All right, all the specifications will be listed, so if you need the specific length, the density, all of that will be in my description box. But this wig is pre-customized. All I had to do was cut off that little excess lace there, and it is fully pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-colored. As you can see, all I did was take some melting spray for the sides. You could use lace tapes if you wish, but yeah, you can use melting spray just the same. And I tie that down to just have it laid with my RPG Show elastic headband. But the hair is so easy to work with. It's completely beginner friendly and convenient. I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring in the very back there to make it as secure as possible on my head. And one thing about a drawstring cap construction, it is so easy for every and anybody to use and make the wig wearing experience 10 times easier to do.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
So I went in with my wax tape to just get the top as late as possible, because I love when my wigs look very nice and flat. You want it to look as natural as possible. But can we talk about that lace? It's giving scalp. The bleach, the way they bleach this lace, stunning. 10 out of 10. I mean, it's RPG. They do nothing but quality wigs, okay?
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
I decided to go in with my curler to, you know, refresh the curls. If you want, you could go ahead and rock the curls as effortless as they were looking initially, but I wanted to define them a little bit more. So I went right throughout the wig and did that.
Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby.
And that's it for the final look. You guys could feel free to also go ahead and style this wig anywhere you please, because it is a full-on 13 by 6. All right, but look at that, still glueless, and it is stunning. This is also perfect for the summertime. I love it. I went ahead and I linked it in my description box if you want to go ahead and check this out. That's where you can find it. All the specifications are listed, as I said. Shout out to RPG Show for today's look once again. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.